Purple Paisley Planner. Look at this. I just love these filters. They're so much fun. It's just so goofy just playing with these filters. But I just wanted to let you know a little bit about myself. I've been doing planners since 2014. My baby sister got me hooked on doing planners. So that's why I just like using planners and Traveler's Notebook. And I love stickers. And right now I'm currently using the Agenda 52 by Paper Studio. Let me get my iPad out of the way over here. So I really like using the Agenda 52. I could set it up how I like, and I love the LOL stickers and the washi. I like the paper clips. The sunflower paper clip you see right there, I made. I keep ink pads around me because sometimes you'll find me embossing and stamping. Um, I like using Erin Condren. That was my very first planner, was an Erin Condren. So thanks to my baby sister back in 2014, I got hooked on that. You can find me on YouTube and on Instagram under Purple Paisley Planner. And you can also email me at purplepaisleyplanner@gmail.com. But yes, I just love all things planners, traveler's notebooks, personal planners, A6 planners, happy planners. I like the disc planners. I also have the Doki books. I like those also. So yeah, and so my friends got me hooked on doing more YouTubes. Krista, Tanya, Robbie. Um, and then I like watching some of my favorite YouTubes like Ranzo in Japan and Elena and Miss Shirlene. I just love watching their YouTubes. So yeah, I'm just like using you. I'm liking doing YouTube. I work a full-time job. It's like a 9 to 5 job. I drive an hour every day. So doing YouTubes on my spare time is just so much fun. So please like, subscribe, follow, click on the notification bell. You'll know when I'm on live. And I'm really liking this YouTube. I think I watch YouTube more than I watch cable. You know what I mean? I just love watching YouTube more than I watch cable. So again, this is Annette. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to be seeing everyone soon. Probably at a planner meetup. You never know. Okay. Everyone, have a super duper day. Stay positive, and I'll talk to everyone later.